It's almost springtime, which means only one thing: mosquitoes and flies all over the place. You cannot open the window because mosquitoes and flies will get in. You cannot close the window because the room gets freakishly hot. To solve this problem, you just need 2 channels and 1 mosquito net. And by the end of this video, you will be able to make your own mosquito protection in under 10 minutes. You can use whatever mosquito net you can find. This one is actually just $1, but it will do the job just fine. The channel width is not that important. It's just important that it has these grooves on both sides of the channel. First, measure what frame you need and cut out those exact dimensions. A utility knife is perfect for channel cutting. Just be careful not to cut yourself. Make a 45-degree angle on the channel ends so we can make one rectangle shaped frame. There is one very simple hack to connect these 2 channels together like this by using, believe it or not, baking soda. Just use a little bit of masking tape to fix these 2 channels together. Apply a couple of drops of super glue on this cutting line and sprinkle a little bit of baking soda all over this glue. Repeat this process 2 or 3 times until you fill up the cutting line. Wait for the glue to dry off and your channels will be connected. This process makes one very strong connection. Even if this frame is outside in the rain or wind, this joint right here won't be broken. Now just lay over this mosquito net and lock it in place with channel covers. Always make sure you pull this net as tight as possible because we don't want to have any weak areas or wrinkles in the net. Cut out all excessive net parts and you will have yourself a very nice net frame. Peel off this protective tape from channel and mount your new frame on the outside of your window. Excellent thing about plastic channels is that they are very flexible. So if your mosquito net is a little bit wrinkled, don't worry while you are mounting your frame. Just make these channels a little bit wider and that will stretch out this mosquito net. $3 and you have perfect protection from mosquitoes all summer long. Now right here I also have this professional built-in pull-down mosquito net system, but this will cost you around $50 to $100. It's pretty effective, but it's pretty expensive also. If you want cheap and inexpensive solution, this frame is a way to go. Very cheap and very easy to build. If you want to enjoy your evenings outdoor without mosquitoes, you need to make a special spray for them. In this video right here, you can find out how to make one very effective spray mixture. Just spray it all around your sitting area and it will be mosquito free. I hope you have found some value in this video. If you did, please hit that like button so that this video can spread to more people, so it can help more people. Thank you guys for watching and I will see you in the next one.